Basically, today in this video, I'm going to be doing my locks. Well, I'm going to be doing butterfly locks. I always do this protective style. I just never showed y'all, so I'm going to be showing y'all today. So, yeah, like if you're interested, if you want to know how to do locks, just keep on watching. So, let's get into the products that you're going to need. You're going to need two types of hair, right? You're going to need kinky hair. So, the brand that I'm using today is by Cuban Twist. And then you're going to also need water wave hair. So, you can use any type of water wave hair. I really love the brand freetress, so that's what I'm using today. You're gonna need like any type of mirror so you can see in the back. You're gonna need a rat tail comb, a crochet needle, and any type of jam. So first things first, I'm gonna part my hair, right? Make sure everything is neat and clean. I'm not really a good parter, so this is kind of be hard for me. The parts don't really matter in the back because people are not gonna be able to see that unless like you putting it in a ponytail or something. I'm gonna try to make my parts as neat as possible. If it's not neat, please don't judge me. I washed my hair last night. I haven't washed my hair in like almost a month now, so yesterday was the first time in July that I washed my hair. Okay, I'm gonna take her off. My hair is moisturized. I don't know, girl, you see my hair? Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, it's so moisturized, like, oh my gosh. And I made sure it was like fully detangled because like my hair is super thick. And so it'd be hard to like part my hair because my roots is like super thick, so it gets tangled like fast. So every time like I try to part it, it's a struggle. You know what I mean? So I made sure I really detangled it in the shower. And even out the shower, I made sure like I got all the knots and tangles out. So this is how she's looking, girl. She's clean, moisturized. I'm going to miss my hair. So first things first, I'm going to part my hair like I said. And then I'm going to braid in the Cuban Twist hair. And then I'm going to take my crochet needle and crochet the freetress hair inside of the braid. And then I'm just going to wrap it around and then there you have it, a lock. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm not really gonna be talking throughout this video. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, like I said, I'm not really a good parter, so do not judge me. But I did have a total of 5 sections in the back and then 6 sections in the front. And so now I'm just taking out the hair out the pack like whack. You're ugly. No. But yeah, so now I'm just parting my hair. Then I'm going to apply my jam. Yeah, this protective style is literally so easy. Like, all you have to do is just braid in the Cuban Twist hair. And I braid it like kind of halfway. I just braid it until my natural hair is fully inside the braid. And then I take my freetress hair, which is my water wave hair, and I fluff it out. And then I'm going to grab my crochet needle and put the hair on the crochet needle. Then slide it through. As I can see, I'm only pulling one side while I'm holding the other side. And then now I'm just wrapping at the roots tightly about 3 to 4 times. This is honestly up to you. And so now that it's secure, I'm just going to wrap loosely. And I'm going to do this all the way until I can't wrap anymore. And then I'm going to add another piece of hair to finish the lock off. I'm just wrapping one piece tight so that it could be fully secure and so it won't slide off. And then once I think it's secure enough, I'm just going to grab both of the pieces and then just start wrapping loosely. And honestly, just do this all the way to like you finish with the lock. And then I'm going to just cut off the rest of the excess hair with some scissors, as you can see, like that. that right there. Okay, sorry. And then, yeah, again, I'm braiding in the Cuban Twist hair. I didn't show the part of me crocheting it in, but once that is crocheted inside of the braid, I'm just wrapping at the roots tightly, like I said earlier, because you don't want it to, like, be loose.
Explore
To fill in that gap, I just cut a piece of the water wave hair and then I just added it in. And so, like I said, I'm only wrapping one piece first, and then once it's secure, I'm going to connect both of the pieces and then wrap loosely to create that butterfly effect. So y'all let me know how y'all been. I haven't really done like a sit down video or just like a video and where I'm talking to y'all. I just be posting my hair videos. So I want to know, how are y'all? Like, comment down below. Me, I'm good. I'm just living life, honestly. Just trying to be better than what I've been through. Just trying to create like healthy habits and healthy routines, and you know, just elevating my life, elevating my spiritual life, my physical life, and my mental life, just everything. I'm just doing the little things and, you know, just preparing myself for this next season of my life. And I feel like you should also do the same. Like, if there's anything that you desire, if there's anything that you want, I feel like you should go after it. It's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be it's gonna be hard, but it's all a test. Pass that test and push through.
But you seem to think my love's a joke. It ain't a joke, boo. I get no love from you. Like all these times I've been before. I think I'll pass.
One last time again, I'm braiding in the Cuban twist hair, making sure I braid it all the way down until my natural hair is fully inside the braid. And then I'm just going to crochet the water wave hair inside of the braid. And then wrap at the roots tight. And then once that is fully secure, I'm just now going to start wrapping loosely. Once that is all the way wrapped down, I'm just going to add another piece of the hair, which is the black piece, and do the same steps. So let's just let this music play out. Create the life that you want, no matter how hard it gets. You know, it's all it says. Will you pass it, or you just going to give up? You know? I believe in you. And yeah, let's just continue to listen to this music. Sorry. Bye. Mwah. Love you.
Send Peter straight to the clinic. You'll give your props though. Like a badass motherfucker. Run it through rhythms at one time. When I'm flying out, she flying in.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Why you got my number?
circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, eternally.
Ever since I was a pup, I've been stuck with the street. Keep the heat, gotta eat. I'll pass in a week. If it's out there, I want it. All at one time. So when it's my time, I've done it.
I know you kill for me, you die for me. I know you like to rip and run the streets, but I get nervous sometimes. But baby, I can't help to think you might not make it home to eat. I barely sleep. Could you pick up a phone and call me at home and let me know you ain't in some heat? And don't go crying, you're grown. You know I'm looking out for you, 'cause you be looking out for me. Yo, you can go with your dog. If you make this promise to me, you make it back in one piece. Say you can go with your dog. If you make this promise to me,